I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Smoked salmon sushi roll-ups with citrus soy sauce. A delicious sushi roll with a twist. This smoked salmon sushi roll-ups is packed full of different flavors. It has a smooth, creamy interior that melts in the mouth with every bite. It consists of smoked salmon slices rolled up with a filling of whipped cream cheese, green onion, avocados, and cucumbers. Each roll is covered in everything but bagel seasoning for a well-seasoned and crumbly exterior that perfectly contrasts the creaminess inside. This sushi is also paired with a citrus soy sauce that you can easily whip up from a combination of lemon juice, mirin, and soy sauce. A fun spin on a classic sushi roll. These easy salmon roll-ups are filled with lemony cream cheese, creamy avocado, fresh cucumber slices, then rolled in everything but the bagel seasoning. Raise your hand if you love sushi a broken bar, then you've got to try these easy smoked salmon sushi roll-ups ASAP. I'm a huge sushi fan and have always wanted to try making my own rolls at home. But honestly, every time I'm about to, I just start thinking about all the ingredients I'll need, the equipment, that little bamboo thingy, and don't even get me started on the price of sushi-grade fish a broken bar. That's when I get the thought that maybe I'll just go out and steal a broken bar, but now I don't have to after discovering this simple recipe. These rolls are made with simple and cheap ingredients, take no time at all to make, and literally taste like a Philadelphia roll from your favorite sushi place. Just minus the rice. Who can say no to that, right? Ingredients for these salmon sushi rolls. Smoked salmon adds a sweet smokiness to your rolls that pairs so well with the rest of your flavors. A lot of people also associate smoked salmon with lox, but they are different. Smoked salmon is usually sweeter while lox is more on the salty side. Depending on which one you prefer, you can use either for this recipe. Whipped cream cheese, it's more airy than regular cream cheese, so it helps to lighten up your rolls. Cucumbers, adds freshness and a little bit of crunch. You can use regular or Persian cucumbers for this recipe. Avocado adds even more creaminess to your rolls and some healthy fats too. Look for avocados that give slightly when you squeeze them, as this means they're ripe. Fresh lemons brings out all the flavors of your dish. Look for lemons with a good rind and no wrinkly spots. We're using the juice and zest for this recipe, so don't use old lemons. Green onion complements your flavors and pairs so well with your cream cheese. You can also use chives instead too. Everything but the bagel seasoning, EBTB, it's slightly salty and nutty, which really takes your rolls up a notch. You can usually find this seasoning in the spice section at most grocery stores. Don't like EBTB? Just use white and black sesame seeds instead. Citrus soy sauce, the perfect accompaniment to your homemade sushi. Besides, every sushi roll needs some type of soy sauce, right? How to make smoked salmon sushi roll-ups. 1. Lay a large piece of plastic wrap on the counter and sprinkle it with EBTB seasoning. 2. Next, layer your smoked salmon pieces over the seasoning to form a small rectangle. Make sure to overlap your salmon slices a little bit. 3. Next, mix your cream cheese, green onion, lemon juice and lemon zest together and spread it over the salmon. Place your sliced avocado and cucumber strips in the center of the rectangle. Very carefully, use the plastic wrap to help roll the salmon over your avocado and cucumber and continue rolling until you reach the other side. 4. Place your salmon roll in the freezer for 10-15 minutes to firm up slightly. This will also make it easier to cut too. Once you're ready to eat, take the roll out of the freezer, slice it and serve immediately with your soy sauce. Tips for making smoked salmon sushi roll-ups. Keep your filling ingredients small thin. It's much easier to roll this way and you'll get a little bit of everything in every bite. I'd suggest keeping them between a 1/4 a 1/2 inch thick. Don't overfill your rolls. They'll be too hard to roll and won't stick together otherwise. Overlap your salmon pieces. No one wants their filling oozing out. Always freeze before slicing. Even freezing it for just a few minutes will make cutting much easier. Smoked salmon sushi roll-ups with citrus soy sauce. Smoked salmon slices are filled with lemony cream cheese, creamy avocado and crisp cucumber and then rolled in EBTB seasoning. They're light, refreshing and perfect for a quick meal or appetizer. And so much fun too. Prep time, 15 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Course, appetizer, main course, snack. Cuisine, Asian, easy, gluten-free. Keyword, bites. Dipping sauce, easy, gluten-free, healthy, lemon soy, roll-ups, smoked salmon, sushi. Servings, 2 servings. Ingredients. For the salmon rolls, 8 ounces smoked salmon, a 1/2 cup whipped cream cheese, 2 tablespoons green onion, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons lemon zest, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, of a cucumber, sliced into thin strips, a 1/2 of an avocado, sliced into thin strips, 1 tablespoon everything but the bagel seasoning, EBTB. For the citrus soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water, 1/2 tsp mirin, 1 tablespoon green onion, sliced thin. Instructions. To make the soy sauce. 1. Stir the sauce ingredients together in a small bowl and place it in the fridge while you prepare your salmon rolls. To make the salmon rolls. 1. Lay a large piece of plastic wrap on the counter and sprinkle it with your EBTB seasoning. Then layer your smoked salmon pieces over the seasoning to form a small rectangle. Make sure to slightly overlap your salmon slices. 2. Next, mix your cream cheese, green onion, lemon juice and lemon zest together and spread it over the salmon. Then place your sliced avocado and cucumber strips in the center of the rectangle. Very carefully, use the plastic wrap to help roll the salmon over your avocado and cucumber and continue rolling until you reach the other side. Place your salmon roll in the freezer for 10-15 minutes to firm up slightly. This makes it much easier to cut. 3. When ready, take the roll out of the freezer, slice it and serve immediately with your soy sauce. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.